Every time before I leave the house, I have to do these finishing touches or else I don't feel like myself. My blush is always the first thing to leave my face, so I always have to top up before I leave. This is the Armani Luminous Silk Glow Blush. I like to take a really fluffy brush so it's not too pigmented, and this is in the shade 19 or 61? 61. So I don't wear highlighter that much because I'm an oily girl and I don't need to look shinier than I already look. But this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, this is not a shimmery, sparkly highlight, so it doesn't make me look like a disco ball. I love how natural this looks on the skin. Like, so subtle and glowy. Looking at myself without an inner corner highlight just feels wrong, so we gotta add that in there. Up slightly. And I always add it in this little area as well. Like, doesn't this side look so much more awake? Girl, I feel so naked without my lower lashes. Let's put them on real quick. Much better. So I've obviously set my concealer with setting powder, but I always have to go in with a finishing powder to blend and blur everything. But before that, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. Because I'm oily, like I haven't finished my makeup yet and I already feel like my makeup's moving around on my face. I'm gonna grab some of these oil control blotting sheets and blot away excess oil and makeup that hasn't set on my skin just yet. At the same time doing this, I feel like I'm pressing the makeup more into my skin. Like, look at all the makeup that's just been sitting on my face. And then after this, then I like to go in with the finishing powder. This is the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte to just blur and blend everything together. And then I've only started to do this, well, yesterday. But the whole day yesterday, I was like, wait, I look good, so I'm gonna do it again today. And it's to add fake freckles to my already really faint little freckles there. I just go over my existent little freckles, and then I use my finger to blend and dab. Oh, this is a Freck XL Original Freckle Pen by the brand Freck. And I love how natural this looks. Really love this mold that just randomly appeared on my face one day, so I'm just gonna also accentuate that. I feel like my lips are my defining feature, so you know I have to put a lip on. Today I'm feeling like a dark brown wine lip, so I'm gonna go in with a dark brown lip liner. And I'm just taking a little lip brush from this Lancome lip liner I have to blend the edges out. I'm gonna grab this wine brownish color. This is a L'Oreal Color Reach lipstick in Divine Wine. Dab her in the center. Lastly, I'm gonna add a berry gloss. This is Say Beauty. Now that I feel like more myself, setting spray to lock everything in. You guys, I'm not playing around. This is the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. Going with the Prada Paradox perfume today. She smells so good. Like, my makeup is not ready until I do all those steps. Now that we are ready, we're ready to go. Bye.